When transporting exotic cars for our customers that live throughout the United States, we take special care to ensure your vehicle is protected.
Perfect.
Our state-of-the-art enclosed trailer is designed to effortlessly cradle your precious cargo while it is en route to and from our shop. Just take a look at the details that go into unboxing this Ferrari FF. Bavarian Rennsport proudly offers repair, maintenance, and performance services for luxury and exotic car enthusiasts, including Audi, Bentley, BMW, Ferrari, Lamborghini, Mercedes-Benz, Mini Cooper, Porsche, Rolls-Royce, and Volkswagen. Our shop is located in Jacksonville, Florida, and we provide concierge car service for customers living throughout the United States. Call 904-270-9390 for a quote or visit BavarianRennsport.com to learn more.